Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my live stream. If you don't know who I am, I'm a professional day trader, professional swing trader, okay? And today we're actually going to talk about should you hodl in 2019, okay? We're going to talk about that. And we're going to just basically go over the charts, all right? So if you don't know who I am, like I said before, I'm a professional day trader, professional swing trader. And I swing trade cryptos and I day trade the financials market, the financial market. So if you want to learn more about that, definitely hit that subscribe button, guys. Definitely hit that subscribe button. Now, during this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only, guys. This is entertainment only. All right. If you have any questions, type in your questions. Right now, I don't have no notification. I don't know what's going on. Let me pop this out real quick. YouTube didn't notify me, so I don't know. I hope YouTube is notifying you guys. I hope YouTube is notifying you, because I didn't get no notification. I mean, I usually do, but it is what it is. Maybe I'm gonna get one late. All right, but shout out to everybody that's here, guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by. I appreciate it. We're going to just give you guys that update. All right. So let me give you guys a round of applause real quick. Alrighty. So let's go to that coin market cap real quick, guys. While more people come in, let's go to this coin market cap right now. I don't think I had to refresh it. Let me refresh it real quick. It's at 110. Okay, so it's what I'm noticing is it doesn't want to go below that 100 mark. Okay, I believe if it does go below that 100 mark, two things can happen. Okay, we could see a crazy big spike down. Okay, or we might break that 100 mark and then find some support. But right now they're holding that level. Okay, because that is a special level. Right now the Bitcoin dominance is 55%. Okay, the volume is pretty low. Nothing really going on in the crypto market, percentage wise. So that's what's good. That's what's going on right now. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart real quick, guys. I'm still wondering why I'm not getting no notification. It's ridiculous. Let me see here. I don't know what's going on here. Well, I think I see something, but whatever. So right now, guys, we have a lot of resistance. Okay, a lot. We broke out of this triangle, came back, found resistance, and we just trending down. We have this trend line right here that's forming a lot of resistance. And now we are consolidating right here, guys. We are consolidating right here. Okay, we broke out of these lows right here. We pull right back to the lows. Okay, you see that? Let me show you right now. So basically, we broke out of these lows. Okay, now we pulled back to the lows. Okay, so we pulled right back to that breakout. Now, we are forming resistance right there. Okay, we sold off right here, and it looks like we might be either forming a nice little flag or something like that. Okay. So you guys, a nice little triangle. I mean, you guys have to be, have to understand what's really going on. Okay. This looks kind of ugly. Okay. So, if we break out of this, to the downside, it could literally be a lot of momentum. Okay, a lot of momentum, because I told you guys that it's not by accident that these guys are not breaking that $100 billion level. Okay, so right now we consolidating around that level, and most likely we're going to get a crazy move either to the upside or downside, but most likely to the downside because it's triangle, forming a nice little triangle. So if it breaks this triangle, definitely I want to see if they're going to break this thing and continue to just continue to go back down, you know. So just definitely be prepared for that, guys. Bitcoin looks real weak at these levels. Even if it goes back up, it can actually go back up to, let me see where it could go at. It can actually try to go back to 38, okay? Because if it tries to go back to 38 for 1,000, right here, okay, let's say it's trying to go back up right here, we can actually form another, if you look at this, okay, and it comes back down, we could form some type of channel. So it could actually come back up, okay, but don't think just because it come back up, you know, that's a sign of some type of bottom or anything like that. All right, of course, guys, type in your questions. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're tired of losing money, if you're tired of listening to the news every single day, but your cryptocurrency is going down, hit that subscribe button. I know some of you guys are tired of hearing the same story over and over. Okay? I know some of you guys are tired of hearing the same story over and over and over. But your coin is going down. I know it. You don't have to tell me. Some of you guys won't admit it. Some of you guys will not admit that you are tired of hearing the same story over and over. Okay? Because you have that little hope inside of you that's telling you to not telling you not to get tired. But I know some of you guys are tired. Okay, so if you're tired, hit that subscribe button. Over here, guys, we are professionals. When the crowd go left, we go right. All right, we are. You know, my channel put like this. My channel is all about making money now. Okay. I don't really care about 2 years from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, okay? Let's make this money now. Okay, there's a lot of money on the table, and a lot of people just really can't understand that. Okay, a lot of moon boys swear up and down, okay? Swear up and down that somehow we're going to get some type of V shape and go to the moon, okay? What they don't realize is this is not 2017, guys. All right? It's not 2017. So what I'm trying to say is the reason why we had these crazy up moves in 2017 is because the momentum was to the upside. Okay? We was going up already. We was already going up. Now the momentum is to the downside, guys. It's very hard to reverse this market just like that, you know. So some of you guys need to chill out, relax, and understand that we are in the bear market and this stuff takes time. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Type it in. If you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button and type your questions in, because I know some of you guys is frustrated. You know, it is what it is. Let's see if I see some questions so far. And hit those likes, guys. Hit those likes. You know, your finger's not gonna fall off. So hit the like button. What's going on, Sean? Genoff, Vingo, who else? Randy, Dan, New, Nathan. I still got a little cold, you know, so I'm dealing with this little cold, but I feel like I'm getting better. Dom, Nathan, New Money, what's going on, bro? He said first time watching you live, just subscribed yesterday. Shout out to you, bro. Let me give you a round of applause. New Money just subscribed yesterday. First time listen to me live. That's what's up, bro. 1987. Timmy, what's going on? From Sydney. What's going on, bro? Thanks a lot for stopping by. Dom said Hadouken. Nope, I still didn't get the note. Yeah, man, it's ridiculous, bro. What's going on, Corey? Damn, what's going on, everybody? Thanks a lot for stopping by. So let me see if I see any questions. Head and shoulders. You could call it a head and shoulders. You could call it a head and shoulders. You could call it it's a small head and shoulders. You could call it that. But it's definitely looking like a triangle situation. All right. Does a triangle usually bring down during a bear market, or it can also break up? If I see a triangle, I'm mostly thinking that it's gonna go to the downside. Okay, so if the market is going down, okay, we're in a bear market, and I see a triangle. Yes, I'm thinking we're gonna break to the downside. Okay, now you have situations that, you know, if the market is at a strong support, okay, we saw it before. If the market has strong support and we consolidate, we can break out of that. Okay, so, you know, but that's only if we had a decent strong support. But right now, if you notice that the market really, you know, it only bounced a little bit. So this triangle, if we break to the downside, most likely it will go to the downside. Let me see here. I watched 2 of your videos last night. I really like what you're hearing. All right, man. Shout out to you, bro. He said I'm making sense. Yes, man. Shout out to you, bro. I'm trying to get over this cold real quick, man. Hopefully by next week. Who knows? Tell about XRP. What you want to know about XRP, bro? What's going on, Swazza? What you want to know about XRP? What's going on, Crypto Gains? Yeah, the cheaper it gets, yeah, I hear you, bro, yeah. You said you need to know the truth about XRP? You said you need to know the truth about XRP, okay? All right, we get to that later. Ben, my shorts got squeezed yesterday. What could I have seen? Honestly, Ford, I don't know exactly when you entered in. I don't know what cryptocurrencies you shorted, so it's very hard to know exactly, you know, your situation. Okay, I don't know what price you got in, the currency, what are the points you look for when it's setting up support lines? Okay, so basically, right now, I'm not looking for support. Okay, I'm looking for resistance since we're going down. So if you look at this breakout right here, this is the first breakout we had. Okay, this is the first breakout. So a lot of times when price breaks out and it goes back to the breakout, it forms some type of resistance. Okay, we see it right here. It broke out, formed resistance. We broke out of here, right here, and now if you notice, we broke out of this low. Okay, so it came back to the low, and we found resistance right here. Okay, now support, I'm not looking at support because I'm not looking to buy. Okay, so but the next area I'm looking at right now could be 3,000 or 2,900, maybe for some minor support, okay. Now, at the same time, it could actually blow past that support and ignore it, okay? So you have to understand, when you're dealing with a bear market, you really don't want to look at support because they can blow past those support levels real quick, okay? Because it's selling off and the momentum's to the downside. So, but I'm looking more for resistance. All right, so shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, definitely type in your questions. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. if you're tired of losing, if you don't understand what's going on, if you just lost, hit that subscribe button. I know a couple of you guys been buying the dips this whole year, and you are probably mad right now. Okay, I know your favorite YouTuber been telling you to buy the dips, and you're mad. That's why some of you guys really have to understand how to read the charts, guys. You really, really, really have to understand how to read the charts. Because if you don't understand how to read the charts, you're just going to be that next guy, okay, that just going to lose money just because you're guessing and you following the crowd. Okay, you're following the crowd. You guessing. All right. If you knew how to read the charts, guys, this year alone, you could have made a lot of money. Okay. This year alone, you could have made a lot of money. Okay, if you know, just look at this. We sold off right here. We pulled back. Every time we did a pullback, we was making lower lows, guys. I mean, lower highs. Look at this. Dropped, pulled back, dropped, pulled back, lower high, drop, pulled back, lower high. I mean, guys, this is honestly, guys, this is textbook. I wish trading was like this, guys. This is very textbook, like classic textbook, you know, triangle pattern. Like this is very, you know, if I could give this a score, okay, 0 to 100, guys, this is a 100 right here. This is very classic. So it's to the point where I'm like, you guys really have to learn how to read the chart, because there's no way in the world some of you guys should be down a lot this year. Okay, very classic stuff. Very classic. I mean, it's just textbook. Okay, we broke out of this triangle. I knew that first buy is going to get trapped. This person is trapped. This person is trapped, and most likely this guy's gonna get trapped. So right now, what you guys are seeing is a long squeeze, guys. All right, I'm quite sure you guys heard of a short squeeze. Now you're seeing a long squeeze. These guys that's going long right now, they's basically getting squeezed out. All right, until we hit a certain level. Okay, I don't know what that level is. Till we hit that certain level, most likely they're not gonna rebound a lot. All right. Now, could this be that certain level? It's a possibility, but I don't see it because the volume is so weak around here. All right, it's so weak, and I think they honestly, since we've been selling off a lot this month, I think they want to continue selling off the whole month. Okay. Honestly, I didn't think they was going to sell off in December. I thought December was going to be like a fake rally to the upside. Okay, but hey, it is what it is. Welcome to the bear market, guys. All right, welcome to the bear market. All right, now the reason why a lot of these coins went up last year is because number one, we had a lot of ICOs, right? A lot of ICOs just popped up out of nowhere. So Bitcoin, you know, went up to 20,000. You know, and that's because we had a lot of ICOs in the space, and another reason why is CNBC was promoting the crap out of this stuff. All right, so what I'm basically trying to say is Bitcoin should have never went to 19,000. Okay, it's not worth 19,000 right now. Okay, not right now. A lot of these crazy ICOs, coins that's on CoinMarketCap right now is not worth, you know, like some of these coins, guys, you know, some of these coins are crap. Actually, 98% of these coins are crap. So these ICOs pushed up, in these coins, out of, you know, these coins that came out of nowhere, they pushed up the market, and now there's no more buyers. There's no more new users, and the market is falling apart. Done deal. Cut it off. All right. A lot of guys thought they was a genius because they made a lot of money last year. They was reading the white paper. They was reading the news. And they thought the white paper, okay, these guys that got lucky last year, they thought the white paper in the news was the real information. Whoo! Welcome to my world, guys. Welcome to my world. All right? Welcome to my world, guys. The news is not the real information. All right? The news is there to trick you. Who cares about a white paper? White paper doesn't mean anything. Okay? It's just words. All right? Now, once you understand how to read the charts, you will know that that's all you need, guys. And if you don't know that, know that by now, then you are let me see, naive, and just, you just want to, you're just trying to deny the facts, okay? Because I know some of you guys' favorite coins been getting good news all year, but you've been going down, okay? Guys, you can't fight reality. That's one thing you have to understand about life. You can't fight reality. All right? If it's raining outside, you could complain, but at the end of the day, you either get wet or you bring an umbrella outside. You could complain about a lot of stuff, but at the same time, it's reality, and you have to deal with it. Okay? You could complain about traffic. You could complain about a lot of stuff, guys. But at the end of the day, okay, it's reality, and you have to deal with it. You have to figure out how to deal with it. Okay. And reality is telling me that the news don't matter, guys. It just doesn't. Some of you guys really have to step up your game. Okay. 2019 is coming real soon. And if you guys really want to make some money, you really have to understand how to read the charts. Okay? You really do. Let's see if I see any questions before I get to anything else. And shout out to everybody that's here, guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Hopefully I can make this a quick stream because, still trying to get over this cold. Will XRP hit 589? If not, how high will it go? What do you think? Okay. Shout out to you, brother. Okay, brother. Shout out to you. I don't think you're going to like my answer. Okay, and not only you're probably not gonna like my answer, you might curse me out, and I don't know if you subscribe to me, but you might unsubscribe. Boy. So you guys have to understand that I'm not here to say things just to sound good or gain subscribers. Okay, you guys really have to understand. I'm here to give you my knowledge. I have 11 years in the game. I understand charts, technical analysis work in the crypto world, and it works in any market. Okay, don't let anyone confuse you. This is how I make my money from the crypto market. Only technical analysis. I don't read no charts. I don't read no white papers. I don't read no news. Nothing. Okay, strictly charts. So XRP, okay, 589, okay. I hate to bust your bubble, but 589, I can't see that happening, okay. And also right now, we look at the 4-hour chart with XRP. Yes, if you look at this nice little triangle setting up. If this baby goes below this triangle, cut it off. It might be a wrap for XRP. Okay. Now, I tell you this much: XRP is a cryptocurrency. You really have to understand that. Okay, you have to understand XRP is a cryptocurrency, and it's not special. Okay, I know some people think that it's special because you know, it's sort of being used, right? Or they're trying to mess with the banks. But right now it's not special because the crypto market is in a bear market. All right. And you really have to understand. Most people don't understand that. Okay. Like for example, the stock market. Amazon, the company, is a beast. Okay. But it doesn't matter. Okay. If the stock market decides to crash tomorrow, Amazon, okay, will go down with the crypto. I mean, with the stock market too. Okay. You really just have to understand that it doesn't matter how good your company is, how much good news it receives. You guys, you really have to understand, if it's connected to that market, it's going to go down too. So you have to understand that. It might not be the answer that you want, but you know, I have to tell you the truth. I've been doing this so long. D Loden said, I don't think XRP would hit 589, and honestly, I think that's the truth. Okay. XRP looks like it's ready to go to at least well, put like this, below 20 cents, and probably much lower because Bitcoin looks like it's trying to go lower too. If you have time, can you talk about how the rich think when it comes to trade and investing compared to average Joe? The rich, they don't buy dips, okay? Especially not in the bear market. Especially not in the first stage, okay? Not the first stage of the bear market, because they understand that has a lot of room, okay? What's the difference between resistance and support? Newbie, shout out to you, bro. All right, let me give you that example real quick. And for you guys that don't have my course by now, check it out, man. My course will show you everything, bro. Okay, now the resistance, the difference between resistance and support is basically if price, okay, if price is going up and it goes back down, okay, and it find a level that it bounced from previously, like let me see, let me go closer. 4 hour, okay. Alrighty, so if you look at this right here, right, price was going up, okay, and it went back down. So if it's going back down and it goes to an area where it bounced before in the past and it decides to bounce again, that's the support area, okay? Notice how price was going up, it bounced, it came back to this area right here, and it bounced right back up, okay? Now resistance is the opposite. So if price is going down, okay, so let's go back to this breakout, okay? Now the resistance is the opposite, okay? Price going down, it goes right back up, okay? It finds resistance at this breakout because it can't go higher, right? It can't go higher, it can't go above this breakout, okay? And then it starts to sell off. So support is actually when prices is going up and then it goes back down and it finds that support level, okay? Just think about a support level like the ground, okay? Support level is like the ground, okay? And resistance is like the ceiling, all right? All righty. So shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out to all my new investors. Shout out to everybody that's in this market that's trying to learn, that's trying to take it to the next level, okay? Because that's what life is about, guys. Life is about taking things to the next level. You just can't just sit on your butt, expect to make $1 million, okay? It was like that before, but right now, when it comes to this cryptocurrency, things are getting harder, okay? So in order to make money, you definitely have to swing trade this market. So if you guys don't have this course by now, check it out, bro. It's $300, but on my live stream, I actually give you guys that 50% discount. So let me do that right now. For you guys that don't have it, check it out. Okay. 150. Okay, so I just gave you guys that 50% discount. So let me give you guys that link. If you don't have it by now, okay. If you don't have it by now, check it out. And it comes with a Discord room, so you could chat with me and my subscribers. I'm sorry, my students. And it will show you how to make money now in the bear market, and it will show you how to make money in the bull market too. All right. You can go back and look at the testimonials. People are making money. And if you have more questions, definitely type it in. I have another course, but you know, that's if you guys are ready for that, the day trading course. So if you guys are ready for that day trading course, let me know, because this course is a swing trading course and my other one's a day trading course. So just let me know if you're ready for that day trading course. Let me see if I see any questions. Alrighty, here. I'm trying to go to these questions real quick. What you said about the ICOs make more sense. Then all these YouTubers have listened. Oh yeah, shout out to you, New Money. We ain't going to the moon. Yes, man. You know, unfortunately, New Money. I got in the space late. Okay, I got in the crypto space late. But at the same time, I could really admit that. Like, I don't have no problem saying that. Okay. See, a lot of these moon boys, they have a problem saying that. They think that everything will just go up forever, right? That's what most people think. Oh, we're gonna go up forever, guys. Don't worry, we're gonna see a V shape, and then we're just gonna go to the moon. All right, and things don't work like that. I've been doing this so long, and I understand how the market works, and I understand that we was in some type of bubble last year. That's why I actually made a video in December saying that expect some type of large pullback. All right. And now, the market just, is so weak. And I believe I was late to the party, and a lot of people that bought last year, they was basically late to the party. Okay. Now, if you knew how to read the charts, you could have took your profits, and some of you guys could have been okay. I know some of you guys didn't take profits, but it is what it is. Now, the way to actually make money in this current market right now, as we speak, only by swing trading. That's it. There's no other way. Okay, you can't make money by hodling, and we're gonna talk about that later on. Should you hodl in 2019? We're gonna talk about that. How much lower BTC is going? We don't. No one knows. Okay, so if someone tells you that they know, those guys are liars. All right, I don't know. No one knows. Okay, unless you have some inside connections, no one knows. But I do see Bitcoin going below 1,000. That's what I see. Bitcoin $1 million dreams came and went just as fast as Pokemon. Oh, yeah, I forgot about Pokemon Go. Yeah. Okay. So some of you guys just have to accept that you got in late. All right. Fahad said, no, I won't. That you said you watch my videos and I learned a lot. Okay, shout out to you, bro. Floor said the XRP 1 cent. I guess. Swazzer said, Big Ben is the most authentic YouTuber, period. He does not lie, exploit his subscribers like many others do. Shout out to you. Let me give you that round of applause, bro. Let me give you that bomb button. And, you know, the thing with that, guys, is, you know, most people don't understand that it's bad for business to, you know, talk about crypto going down, okay? So basically what I'm trying to say is, if, you know, I sell courses to help people out financially, right? And I know that the stuff that I teach works because that's what I'm doing every single day. And not only that, my students are getting results from my courses. But you guys don't understand. It's bad for business for me to come on here every week and tell you guys that the market is going down. Okay, don't you know that people unsubscribe from me? People call me all types of names, and people, you know, talk trash, troll, whatever. Just because I say the opposite of what most people say in the crypto world. So basically, what I'm trying to say is I can actually sell more courses if I told you guys a lie. Right? If I say, hey guys, we're going to the moon, don't worry about it, you know, blah, 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 buy the dips, whatever the case is, right? I can gain more subscribers. I can sell more courses, you know. But I don't care about that because you know that I don't make my money from that, all right? That's the difference between me and these other crypto YouTubers. And my channel is really not a crypto channel. It's actually a financial channel that talks about how to make money, you know, consistently and now. All right. I talk about the crypto market and also talk about the futures market. All right. And most of these YouTubers, they can't tell you how to make money now because they're not doing it full time. Okay. So for all you guys that hate on me, it is what it is. I don't really care. All right. I know deep in my heart, if I continue to give you guys the truth, right, and be a you know, that good guy, I know that God and the universe will take care of me. Okay. See, the thing about being honest. Right, the thing about being honest and you know, being good is that you might not get rewarded. You might not get rewarded right away. All right, you might not see the rewards right away. That's the you know, that's the truth, guys. About being honest and good. It's funny because it seems like all the good guys, they finish last, right? So you might not get the rewards right away. But eventually you will get them, you know. And not only that, the bad guys, when they lie and cheat, they actually see their results right away, or almost right away. But at the end of the day, it's not worth it because it will come back. It will come back to them. All right. If you guys have any questions, type in your questions, guys. And if you just tuning in, hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. All right. If you're tired of losing, don't understand what's really going on, hit that subscribe button. The future will be cryptos. I don't know what you mean by that. What if the banks adopt it? A lot of banks. We said, what if the banks adopt a lot of banks and market it back to normal? XRP grow to one denim. Well, first of all, you guys really have to understand that XRP is little, okay? It's a small company, and not only that, it's new, okay? And you really have to understand it's going to take a lot for Ripple to penetrate that industry, okay? I know some of you guys don't understand that, but you know, it is what it is. What are your average profits and losses percentage for your students? Everybody is different, okay? You know, just go to my page. Just go to my page. You'll see the testimonials, okay? You see people making $400, $130, $400, $450, $250, $600, $800. I have one student made $21,000. I had another student made $31,000. Had another student made $4,000. So it all depends on what you're working with. All right. Let me see here. What is your opinion? Should we just sell and keep it what we left? So let's get to that, okay? Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button if you're tired of losing money, all right? Let's get to the question of the day, all right? Let's get to that question of the day. Question of the day is, you know, should you HODL in 2019? Okay? And my answer, guys, you know my answer. You know you ain't gonna like my answer, okay? And my answer is no. Because I totally believe that this is gonna get worse, and the price is just gonna continue to go down. We might have a couple of bounces, okay? Because that's how the bear market works. Like if you see how you see how we drop right here, okay? You see how we pull back a lot. So we're gonna have these crazy pullbacks just like this, okay? It's gonna go back, trick a lot of people saying, oh, this is the bottom. And most likely it's gonna flop right back. Okay. Actually, let me show you something. Let me show you something real quick, guys. Okay, let me show you something real quick. All right, this is the BTC chart. All right, so let me go through this real quick. If I can do this real quick. All right, so this is 2011. We had a decent crash, a major crash. Okay, so it took. Let's see how it took. I would say, let me see, 2011. So I would say a year and a half. Let's say a year and a half to 2 years to get back to the high. Okay, that was that year. That was 2011. Okay, so let's look at the other crash. Okay, the other crash was 2013. Okay. Let's see how long it took Bitcoin to go. Okay, so it took Bitcoin to go back to the highs. Let me see. So we started, the top was 2013, and I would say right here, so 2017, right? So we're talking about at least 3 years and a half to 4, right? So notice that, guys. Every time we get higher and we crash, it takes longer, okay? So this one was close to 3 years, 3.5 years to 4, right? Now, this is the current crash right now. So just think about that, okay? The first crash was like a year and a half, okay? You can say 2, whatever, year and a half. Second one was, you say 3.5 to 4. Now, you have to expect this one to last longer because every time it goes up, it falls down, it takes longer. Just imagine a giant, okay? Imagine a giant falling, okay? If a giant falls, it's going to take a long time for that giant to get up, okay? Because, you know, that giant is big and it's falling. But if a small person drops, that person get right back up like it's nothing. So the harder you fall, it's going to take a long time to get back up. And that's what's going on, okay? So I do expect Bitcoin to double this time. Okay, exactly the way it was double last time. 2011, it was around like a year and a half. 2013, I would say 3 years and a half, right? So I do expect 6 years or more. Okay, I do expect 6 years or more for some type of movement. Okay, I know some of you guys don't want to hear that, but hey, man, you know, if you want to hear, we going to the moon, this channel is not for you. Okay, if you want me to read the news to you every single day, like some of these crazy YouTubers do, this channel is not for you, because this channel is only for winners that wants to win and people that wants to make money now, guys. N-O-W, now. N-O-W. If you want to learn how to make money, now, guys, this is the channel for you. Okay, this is what I do full time. Okay, I play no games. I have no time for no games, guys. No time. I've been telling you guys for a long time. I've been warning my subscribers, hey guys, stop buying the dips. There's other ways to make money. Okay. And some of you guys think it's a game until you run out of money. Until you run out of money, then you realize, man, this guy was on point. Okay. I don't really don't think some of you guys understand when I say the path to success is not obvious, guys. All right? I really don't understand what, I really don't think you guys understand when I say that. Okay? And what I mean by that is not obvious. It's usually the opposite of whatever you're thinking, okay? It's usually the opposite of whatever you're thinking. Okay? So the reason why most people are losing right now in the crypto market is because these guys are not thinking like the successful guys, all right? Most people said, oh, there's no way Bitcoin can go below 10,000. Boom, it went below 10,000. There's no way it can go below 8,000. Boom, went below 8,000. There's no way it can go below 6,000. Boom. There's no way 5,000. Boom, 4,000. Boom. Now we have 3,000. Okay? So basically what I'm trying to say is, if you want to be successful, you have to think the opposite. Okay? Imagine, guys, imagine you, right? Imagine you decided to think the opposite, guys, this whole year. Instead of buying the dips, imagine you just decide to think the opposite and short the market. Imagine how much money you guys been sitting on right now. But no, you want to think like the average Joe. Now, whose fault is that? Is it my fault? No. I'm not bringing down the market. It's actually no one's fault but yours. You have to step up your game, guys. This game is brutal. And these guys will take your money right away. Okay? Right now, it looks like we're selling off a little bit. I don't know if we're going to crash right now. But it looks like it's trying to break this triangle. Okay? If it breaks this triangle, guys, this could be like the start of that crazy second stage of the bear market, right? People talk about that. I wish I can bring up that the NASDAQ chart, right? They have this NASDAQ cheat sheet that most people talk about, right? The NASDAQ cheat sheet. And most people think that we at the bottom of that NASDAQ cheat sheet. Okay, guys, we're not. We're not. I mean, you probably want to think that we're at the bottom of the cheat sheet, but we're not. Okay, because a lot of people screaming moon this and moon that. You really have to understand. People have to, in order for it to be real, people have to tap out and say, I can't take it no more. I can't. That's what the bear market is about. It's about you tapping out and telling people, I can't take it no more. Okay? So, if you guys actually been depressed this year in 2018. I don't want you guys to go through another year, where you're depressed, okay? I don't want 2019 to be a year where you just depressed, guys, all right? I don't want you to waste a whole year thinking that the bull market is going to come. Guys, I do not want you guys to be that average Joe, all right? You have to step up your game. There's no reason why you should be broke in 2019. No reason why. Okay? The only reason why you're broke or you're going to be broke in 2019 is because you don't want to take action. You don't want to study. You don't want to learn how things work. You just want to read the news. You want to get high off of news. You got the news? You got the news? That's, if that's you have to change your bad habits, guys. You have to change your bad habits. You're going to waste another year. Just gone. All right, BTC right now, guys. I talk about the takeover. Most people don't understand what I mean by the takeover. I talk about the takeover, guys. It's happening right in front of our eyes. People want to ignore it because they feel that it's impossible for the government to take over. It's impossible for Wall Street to take over. We're looking at the takeover right in front of our eyes, guys. These guys do not want the average Joe to make a lot of money. BTC is not the same because it's not exclusive no more, guys. BTC is not exclusive anymore. BTC wasn't designed for the government to come in and regulate it. It wasn't, it doesn't matter how many scams that we have, guys, it doesn't matter how many scams we have. I understand we have a lot of scams, okay? I really do. But still, at the same time, Bitcoin wasn't designed for anybody to come in and regulate it and tell people, oh, you can't do this, you can't do that. Okay? So it's not exclusive no more, okay? It doesn't have that value anymore. You can say whatever you want, but it doesn't. Because the reason why I got into cryptocurrencies is because I didn't want to deal with a third party. Now, since I had to deal with a third party, why how is it really exclusive? It's not. So some of you guys just have to wake up. Okay? Some of you guys just have to wake up. It's just what it is. And for you guys that's hodling, you really have to think about another strategy, because your strategy is based on the market going up, and not only is based on the market going up, it's based on relying on something. Don't you get it, guys? Your strategy is based on relying on somebody or something. Okay, you have to rely on the news, or you have to rely on the CEO of the company. Okay. That's a bad situation to be in, guys, to rely on somebody. I'd rather rely on myself. Okay? And that's what swing trading and day trading is all about, guys. Yourself, relying on yourself. You bring yourself to the table, you make that money, and you out. But you can't get to that level, if you're lazy. Just what it is. Just what it is. Okay. So let me read these questions real quick. Probably gonna get out of here soon. Let me see what's going on in the chat room. Alrighty here. Swazzer said, buy the course and change your life. I did. Epic. Shout out to you. Swazzer is actually one of my let me give him that bomb. Swazzer actually bought my crypto course, and he bought my day trading course. Okay, my day trading course is on a whole different level, guys. If you want to learn how to make daily income, this is it right here. It's super rare because honestly, I wasn't even trying to come out with any type of day trading course. My subscribers forced me to come out with a course, so I gave these guys some very super rare information. And Swazzer actually is killing it right now with that day trading course. So shout out to him, bro. Thanks a lot. Let me see here. Most YouTubers just lie, just like politicians. Yes, man, you are right. You are right. I'm trying to get to these questions real quick, guys. Bima said, "I'm a student of Big Ben. On average, I'm on average, the amount weekly trades come up 80% profitable. Yes, 80% out of 100. We work hard to for those profits, though. And the group is A+. Let me give him a round of applause too. Bima is actually one of my guys, one of my students that made a lot of money from this crypto market. Right now, I don't know what's going on with this. Let me actually, there we go. Let me give him a round of applause. Give him that bomb button, guys. Bima actually made a lot of money. And when I mean a lot, I'm talking about a lot. All right. New Money said, "I appreciate your honesty, brother. It was not easy to listen to you at first, but yes, you know, I get a lot of people saying that to me. Okay, I get a lot of people say that to me. You know, say that, bro. You know, it took me a lot of times to listen to you to realize that, you know, man, you know, the truth is right in front of you. Okay." That's one thing you can't deny is truth, guys. The facts. Okay, I can, you know, these YouTubers can lie all they want, but it doesn't matter because the facts is the charts, guys. You know, you can say, oh, we've been getting good news, but we've been going down every single month. And the chart is telling me that this doesn't look right. I mean, look at BTC right now. BTC looks like it's trying to break out of this triangle. We will see. I don't know if it's going to do it tonight. But it doesn't look right. Doesn't look like we're gonna moon anytime soon. So, you know, I actually helped a lot of people save a lot of money. So shout out to you, bro. You said Niger said you said you lost a lot. Yeah, man, a lot of people lost a lot in 2019. I mean 18. You said need to understand Ripple and XRP aren't the same. The company Ripple has multiple products. I understand that. Okay. People asked me about XRP, okay, and the banks, and I answered them. But you can't, you know, you can't say one without the other. Let me see here. How much is your course? Does your course come with a guarantee, any type of success rate? My success, I don't know what you mean success rate, bro. Look at the testimonials. I mean, you just heard people that bought my course. Read these testimonials. It all depends when you buy this course. Everything depends on you. Okay, are you willing to study? You know, are you willing to put in that work? And it's not hard. Okay, that's the, you know, it's not hard. You just gotta dedicate and study. Okay, but if you're trying to make $1 million tomorrow, then no, this course is not for you. This course is for people that wants to make consistent income and eventually quit their job. Okay, I have two courses. I have my swing trading course and my day trading course. My day trading course show you how to make money from the futures market. All right, I day trade crude oil and the S&P 500, NASDAQ, all that stuff. I just gave you have a discount, 150 discount. Check it out. You know, I don't force anybody to buy my course. Most of these banks partnered with Ripple are not going to use XRP token. Only the Ripple technology. Look into Ripple. Learn which product they actually XRP token. So I don't know if you're trying to say that in a good way, or maybe you're trying to inform the XRP community. Maybe that's what I'm trying to figure out. Why would banks want to use XRP token? Yeah. So like I said, I don't think you're saying that for me. I think you're saying that to these XRP community. So XRP token was you say token so they can offer a coin that's not security and raise funds. Okay, I see. So I see what you're saying. So basically, you're saying that XRP was just something that was created to raise funds. When you say short in the market, what does that mean? Basically, it's the opposite of buying, okay? So if I wanted to, let's say that you want to buy right here, okay? You would go to whatever exchange and you press that buy button, okay? And you would buy whatever amount of BTC you want to buy, okay? But let's say that you don't want to buy right here. You want to sell, okay? That's shorting, okay? So you would press sell instead of buy. And when the market goes down, you will make money, okay? But you have to go to exchanges that allow you to short. So it's you know, people think it's complicated, but it's not, guys. It's the opposite of buying, all right? Shout out to Swazzer, man, giving me that. Woo! Let me drop that bomb for Swazzer, bro. Actually, let me get a round of applause real quick. And let me give him that bomb button, guys. Swazzer said nothing but pure respect for this man. Ben is the truth. He has helped me change my life. Buy his course and change your life. Peace. Woo! He gave me that $100 super chat. Let me give him that bomb. Shout out to Swazzer, bro. Swazzer. Woo! That's what's up, bro. Like I said, guys, Swazzer is actually one of my students. He gave up with the crypto market because, you know, everything was just going down, and he decided to sell everything, and now he's actually focused on day trading, the futures market, all right? And he's a beast, all right? I'm talking about he's studying the charts. He showed me pictures of his wall. He got a whole bunch of pictures and strategies on his walls. Make sure that he looks at those papers when he trades. That guy's a beast. I know he's going to be successful, okay? Because he has that he has that successful gene in him. Because you really have to be obsessed with this stuff, guys. This can't be a thing that you just watch and you watch for a couple of minutes and that's it. No, you really have to be obsessed with this stuff. Okay. I told you guys it took me 8 years to figure this stuff out. A normal person would basically give up the first 4 months. A normal person would say, "Man, screw this. I've been losing for 4 months straight. I'm out." Okay? The reason why I didn't give up, bro, I was obsessed. I'm not the normal person. You can't be normal if you want to be successful. Okay? Now, what I did, I took all my experience, my 11 years of experience, and I give you guys the knowledge, and I tell you guys, hey man, you don't have to go through what I went through. So shout out to Swazza giving me that super chat. Let me get into that bomb once again, bro. Peace. And Swazza is a guy that's awake, guys. He's awake. He's awake. Most of you guys are sleeping. Most of you guys are sleeping. He's awake. Let me hear this. Let me read these questions. Oh my gosh, what's going on here? I agree. You said the truth hurts? Yes, man, the truth hurts, bro. But the problem is, oh, well, I even said the problem, but the thing is, guys, okay, you know, you don't need the market to go up to make money. All right, now Bitcoin looks like it might pop this triangle, and we might see some fireworks either tomorrow or what's today? Thursday. Tomorrow's gonna be Thursday, so probably Thursday or Friday. We'll see. You said you'll be short on Amazon. Oh, you said you have been short on Amazon. Okay, shout out to you, bro. You been making that money then. Trying to read these questions real quick, guys, real quick. I was talking to a guy in the chat, Ben, not you. Yeah, I kind of figured that. So basically, you was schooling him on XRP, and you was letting him know that XRP basically was created because they wanted to raise funds. Okay, sounds about right. Molly said, I was skeptical for a day, but now I'm convinced that Ben is the real deal. Shout out to you, Molly. Let me give you a round of applause. BTC and all crypto looks... Yeah, it looks sick, bro. It looks sick. It looks sick. BTC and every crypto looks sick, bro. You're right about that. Okay, let's look at XRP. Actually, let's look at these other cryptocurrencies, guys. Let's see what Litecoin is doing. I'm gonna get to you guys' questions, but let's see what Litecoin is doing and all these other cryptocurrencies. Let me see. All right, so all these cryptocurrencies looks weak. It looks like it's trying to just continue to go down. I mean, you know, what do you expect in a bear market? You expect we just do a V-shaped bottom just because you want it to happen like that? It's not about what you want. It's just how things are. I mean, right now things look so weak. You know, it looks like continuation on top of continuation. Let me see here. That's Litecoin. Let's go with Ethereum Classic. Same thing. Let's go with BCH. Same thing. RRP though. RRP. Bitcoin Cash. What's going on with Tron? All right. So Tron looks like it's loading up, consolidating. Okay. XRP looks like it's going in a triangle. And if XRP drops out of this triangle, most likely it's going to wipe out a lot of people to the downside. And, you know, it is what it is. Winning knowledge for 950 is nothing. Trust me, it's a bargain. Yeah, shout out to you, bro. Paul said everybody on the stream must copy Big Ben course if you need at the moment in the backyard. Shout out to you, bro. Thanks a lot, Paul. Right on. It's a new language to me. Yes, new money. Yes. So the charts is just like a language. Okay. You just have to learn the language. That's all it is. Okay. It's just another language. You just have to learn it. Okay. It's not that hard. It's just anything else. You start slow and you just learn it. Okay, little by little. Like anything else, guys. D-Loaded said, I just bought your swing trading course, by the way. Oh, let me give him that bomb. Shout out to D-Loaded. Give you that round of applause too, bro. Shout out to you. Thanks a lot, bro, for buying that swing trading course, supporting the channel, and also D-Loaded. What I want you to do is email me right now. I don't know if you have my email address, but let me give it to you right now. Oh, let me see. Sheesh. All right, so I'm gonna give you my email right now. This is my email address, and just email me, D-Loaded. All right, email me and tell me, email me so I can give you that Discord room, because it comes with a Discord. All right. Sammy said, good time to short or wait. Sammy, you know I can't give you no financial advice. Okay, Sammy, if you see a setup, you know what to do. Okay. All right, don't get scared if you see a setup. The market is weak. If you see a nice setup, you know, but shout out to D-Loaded. Shout out to D-Loaded, guys. All right, so I'm about to get out of here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. I appreciate it, guys. Appreciate everybody that's supporting the channel. I appreciate all my subscribers. I appreciate everybody that's, you know, that tune in when I go live. Okay, I appreciate all my new subscribers too. Shout out to all you guys, bro. Okay, I hope you guys have, you know, a good week. All right, I hope you guys have a good week, and I gotta make some tea right now to get rid of this cold. Okay, I think the tea is working out because I feel a little bit better. Okay, I feel a little bit better, so I'll make some tea when I get off this live stream. Okay, before I go to bed, get some rest, and I'm gonna day trade tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna day trade tomorrow. Look to make some money. Shout out to you, John. You said feel better. Thanks a lot, bro. Okay, and that's what it's all about, guys. You know, when guys leave this live stream, make sure you improve as a person, as an individual, as an investor, as a trader. Okay, that's what life is about, improving. Okay, you don't want to never stay the same, even in you know, just real life situations. Okay, you want to be a better husband, you want to be a better wife. Okay, you want to be a better father, mother. Okay, why stay at a certain level? You know, always challenge yourself. Always challenge yourself. So at the same time, for you guys that's just buying and holding, okay, why just look at your cryptocurrency, you know, go down? Why just stop there? Why not go to that next level? Study the charts. See how to make money by doing other things, okay? By swing trading. All right, so guys, thanks a lot again. Thanks a lot, Swazzer, for that $100 super chat. I definitely appreciate that, bro. You definitely are one of the good ones. You know that, okay? And I appreciate that, bro. I appreciate everybody else that's on this live stream. Also, make sure you guys continue to grind and, you know, study. Thanks a lot, guys. And is that the tea I got for you? Yeah, I got honey. It was a honey, lemon, ginger, and ginger, honey, lemon, ginger. I put some garlic too. What else? And some cayenne pepper. I got that from Keith. And right now, you know, I'm feeling a little bit better. All right, so guys, thanks a lot. Appreciate it. And if you guys have any questions, you can email me. Talk to you guys later and have a great day.